Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the advanced level online English language courses we offer. As you've probably noticed, if you have a good eye, I've been exiled to the attic of late to make these videos. We're having some renovation work done downstairs on the kitchen and I've been kicked out of my little office down there. And so here I am. My apologies for the fact that it looks like a bit of a bomb site. To try to help me get through the days and to deal with the stress of living in a house under renovation, I've been watching a lot of football because it's the Euros at the moment. And I don't know about you, but I try to watch as many games as I can. And so far, the most exciting game I've seen has been the Netherlands against Ukraine. It was a goal fest. It finished 3-2 to the Netherlands. It was a very open game. Both teams were really going for it. Neither team sat back. They were both attacking. The game was played at a blistering pace. And the Netherlands went 2-0 up and it looked like game over. But Ukraine clawed their way back into it. They scored a quick goal and then very soon afterwards they scored the equaliser and it looked like they might hang on for a draw. However, in the last few minutes the Netherlands scored the winner. It was a brilliant game. It was by far and away the most exciting game of the tournament so far. We often use by far and away with superlatives to show that the gap between the thing at the top and everything else is quite big. So you might say, oh, she's amazing. She's by far and away the best student in the class. Or when you're recounting a horrible experience you once had, you might say, it was by far and away the worst thing that's ever happened to me. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use by far and away.